Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, in today's class of your numerical computation or numerical analysis, our target is to discuss solution of, let us write the topic, you know well also by your session, solution of system of linear equations, solution of system of linear equations, and under this chapter we have to discuss direct method, Gauss-Jordan and Gauss elimination methods, and so on. So to understand this topic, I would like to recall some facts that you have studied in your previous class. There was a chapter determinant and there was a chapter matrix for you. In determinant, there was a Cramer's rule, and your teachers used to ask you that solve x plus y, please write x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 2 by using Cramer's rule. Here you see what x plus y is a linear equation because the power of the variables x and y are 1. So this is a linear equation in x and y. The another equation is also a linear equation. So its power of, here the power of x and y is also 1 and 1. And when you take these two equations together, then it creates a system of equations. Here x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 2. These two equations are forming a system of equations. And since they are linear equations, so they are system of linear equations. So recall in class 6, it was very simple for you to get its solution. Just by adding plus y and minus y will be cancelled, then 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4. You can say that was that also direct method at your that stage in your school life stage, in your 6th or 7th class study stage. And in your 12th mathematics, there was a Cramer's rule. With the help of that rule, it was possible to get its solution by using the concept of Cramer's rule. And the same set of equations, same set of linear equations was in your matrix chapter, where it was for you to solve these equations, solve the given equations by matrix method. So since you are senior student of engineering, then it is required to know some advanced method rather than the method you have already studied. You have to understand some specific methods given by some renowned scientists. So we are going to discuss firstly direct method, Gauss-Jordan and Gauss elimination method, and to make this point more clear, I would like to share a study material. Kindly see this. This is direct method for solving linear system of equations. An overview of this topic is what? Here we shall try to know the general linear system. As I told you, I explained you what is Gaussian illumination, what is triangular system, what is LU factorization, pivoting, that is also in our syllabus. So students, firstly try to understand that linear system of equations are what? These are the, for linear system of equations, see here, A11 x1, A12 x2. These are the equations because no variable is bearing any power. So these are the what? These are the linear system of equations, and you know well, with the help of a equation, you can form three matrices. One for the constants, another for variable, and the third means these as a whole from this can be written in the matrix form as this. I hope that you know this, because when this and this matrix will be multiplied, then we can find these equations. By matrix multiplication, you know well. Then find x is equal to this matrix as a row matrix and its transpose. Power T means transpose of a matrix, because when you find transpose of a matrix, then row is converted into column and column is converted into row, such that the relation AX into B holds. As this is capital A, this is X, this is equal to B, this is holds. Now, Gaussian elimination method is what? Because specifically you have to understand Gauss elimination method and pivoting as well as direct method. A process of reducing the given linear system to a new linear system in which unknown xi's are systematically eliminated. Means this is such a method in which consequently we eliminate the variable. In first step, you eliminate, suppose you have n number of equations and you have n variables. I hope that you know the fact that if you have to find the value of three variables, then you will have three equations. If you have to find the value of four variables, then you will have four equations, four linear equations. And if you will have to find the value of n variables, then you will have n different linear simultaneous equations. So whatever may be the number of equations, if you are applying Gaussian elimination method, then according to this method, you have to eliminate the variables xi systematically means firstly x1 eliminated, then x2 eliminated, then x3 eliminated, then x5 eliminated, and so on. A process of reducing means decreasing. A process of reducing the given linear system to a new linear system in which unknown xi's are systematically given system of equations are reduced to a new system of equations where the number of variables are gradually decreased or systematically eliminated. The reduction is done via elementary row operations. This elimination is done with the help of elementary row operation. I hope that you know what is elementary row operation and what is elementary column operation, because there was a chapter in your matrix in which there was row elimination and there was row transformation and there was a column transformation. So elementary row operation is what? Interchange two row of the matrix like this. You have to interchange two rows. Interchange means first row will take place of second row and second row will take place of first row. Replace a row by same by row multiplied by a non-zero constant. You can multiply any row by a certain constant. I hope you should just note down this, and just by doing a numerical problem, it will be more practical for you to get this point. And here is a numerical that has been solved by Gaussian elimination method. And after that, there is a direct method and there is pivoting. I hope you have enjoyed and you are understanding, you have got this lecture. This lecture is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, you should write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you for enjoying. Thank you for listening this lecture.